Most humans can sense their surroundings. Eyes allow us to see, ears to hear. We can feel the wind on our skin and sense the temperature. We can smell if food has become rotten or is fresh to eat. We can become aware of danger. All these things allow us to survive, to live, to reproduce, and allow the species to continue. Humans have also developed complex tools to aid in measuring our surroundings. We have thermometers to measure the temperature, barometers to assess the air pressure, and seismometers to tell us the strength of earthquakes. All animals also need to be able to sense their environment. This idea can be extended down to the cellular level. All cells need to be able to respond to their surroundings, and often the response is altered depending on the temperature or the presence of toxins or hormones. Cells contain multiple receptors which transmit messages into the cell, allowing the correct response to be mounted. This response may be altered metabolism or the production of new proteins. Therefore, from single-celled organisms to humans, there is a need to sense what is on the outside and change activities accordingly. Animals often need to survive in a harsh environment. Unlike many humans, a wild animal can't usually pop down to the local supermarket or takeaway, although such establishments are good scavenge sites for rats and squirrels, and even bears. They cannot shrug on a coat or slip one off. Therefore, animals will monitor the environment and have altered activities in response to changing conditions. Animals migrate and seek warmer climes, or hibernate to survive the winter. If the activities of animals could be understood, would this allow humans to either measure or predict environmental conditions? This book attempts to bring together examples from the animal kingdom where this has been proposed, although it is not intended as an exhaustive list. The evidence draws from a variety of sources, including peer-reviewed journals, as well as the Internet, where it is much more difficult to establish any measure of robustness for the information given. Nevertheless, some anecdotal evidence is used here, and then other sources sought to establish how strong the evidence may be. There is no date cutoff used either, with some of the literature going back well into the 19th century or beyond.